Hi guys, in this video I'm going to showcase you how to load data from Blob storage to Azure SQL database. So suppose file is stored in Blob storage in folder. I want to load this data to SQL table. Okay, and as well as I have to create a new table, not on existing. Let's go ahead and how to do it. Okay, so basically in folder in my Blob storage, I have this customer.csv. Okay, I want to load this data into table in Azure SQL database. Now let's go ahead. I'm going on home tab and click on author button. Now try to click on right click, new pipeline, mentioning as a pipeline name. Will be source table sample. Okay. Now I want to add copy activity. Here, source tab, let's go and create the new data set. Okay, I'm using blob storage. Click on continue. Select delimited data set format. Now here mention the DLB source pipeline. I'm selecting the linked services which already created existing one. Now I'm selecting the path BLB9 in. Okay, I have selected the path also. Now I want to select the file also. If you want, you can select it, or else you can utilize the parameters are available based on your requirement. This is sample. This is sample one, guys. In upcoming classes, I will showcase you how to use the parameters and the variables also. Okay. Now, in sync tab, automatically it is indicated red mark. Okay. In sync tab, select the. You can select existing data sets, or else you can create a new data set. SQL database. And I'm going to create Azure sample database pipeline. Select the linked services which you have already created. Now you can click on OK, or else you can select the existing, or else you can click on edit button also. Mention DVO table name. What is the table name? I want customer sample 1. Yeah. Click on OK. So the table will be created once we execute it. No problem. We can do one thing. We can remove it. For time being, right now I do want. Okay. It's okay. Come on, check this one. Just selecting that. Come okay. I will modify it again here. Okay. You click on open. Click on edit. Here I'm mentioning DBO. Okay. Okay. Now coming back to my pipeline, validating. So no errors. Now I want to publish this one. What is the purpose of publishing means? It will save and I can trigger it also, guys. You can trigger it now, or you can also schedule this one also. Upcoming classes, I will showcase you how to schedule the pipelines also. Now pipeline is running. Or else for guys, for practice purpose, you can use debug also, guys. Okay. Mostly general during development. Once we done everything, testing, then we can go ahead and publish the pipeline. And going back to the output tab, or else you can go to monitor tab. It got executed. Now it got failed. What is the reason it got failed? Let me check. Sync side it is got failed. No problem. Let me fix this one. Guys, let's go ahead and do it. And here I have selected auto operation. Now again, I mean previous not showing. Why? Because that table not get created. Now debug that customer tree. Okay, fine. Now let's go ahead and debug, execute in debug mode, guys. In debug mode also we will get the data. So in debug mode we can see that this is the input, this is the output. Let me check inside the source. Okay, so inserting file target file. So this is from Blob to SQL database. Okay, fine. Now I want to see the you can directly go and check it in the DB level, or else click on this one, sync level, and click on open. You can preview data also here. See, data is showing. So it is loaded data in Azure SQL database in DBO in the DBO customer, and got created the table in this schema, and it got loaded the data also, guys. Or else you can check it inside the Azure SQL database. Okay. That's all about this session, guys.